My name is Joshna Seelam and I am a biomedical engineering student. Our capstone project is titled Brise-solette, Darkening of Pediatric Isolette Walls. Isolettes are specialized incubators for premature infants which have controlled parameters of temperature, oxygen levels, humidity, and others. Among those, light is also an important factor that is not currently controlled using technology.
Well, hospitals currently use blankets or isolette covers to block light in the NICU, and there's two main issues associated with this. The biggest one has to do with the caretaker's visibility on the infant, and it increases the response time in cases of emergency. The second one has to do with sanitary issues, and when the blanket falls down, it can fester bacteria, and this is bad because the premature babies have compromised immune systems.
Our invention is to prepare a novel product which can technologically control the amount of light that passes through the isolette.
Brise-solette is the French term for awning, and that's essentially what our product is doing. Our project is bringing shade and a way to control light to the NICU environment. And since we're working with isolettes, we thought it would be creative to combine Brise-solette and Isolette to come up with Brise-solette.
We're definitely very excited to commercialize our product. Our goal is to produce kits that can be easily retrofitted onto current existing isolettes in the hospital. This will reduce the cost because hospitals won't have to buy entire new isolette models. They can just retrofit current existing kits.
I'm very proud of how far the team has come. When we initially started working on the project, we didn't realize how far this project could go, but the more and more we started working on the project, we realized that it has a great potential to become a viable product in the market.
The School of Engineering has given us all the tools necessary to actually break down the problem that we're given and rebuild it into a commercially viable product. We're also very excited to apply for the Masters in Product Innovation, which is going to give us the opportunity to approach this through a business point of view and develop a business plan for our product.
We've taken our senior design project to something that can potentially change the way that the NICU operates.
Looking at how much potential it has now, it really shows how student projects and student innovations can really make a difference in the world.